Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved problems which is related to the complex numbers where we have written the expression in form of a plus iota b. And now there is another problem. See, this question is if x plus iota y whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a plus iota b. Right, the find x or y in terms of this is AB. Prove that this is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. So that is the problem. This is here. You can write this is and x and y in terms of a and b, right? So see this one. The problem is x plus iota y whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a plus iota b. We don't have the rules to sort out the power 1 by 3 till now, right? Till now means in class 11th. So that means see this one. We have to remove this 1 by 3. How to remove this one, or how to eliminate this one, or how to this is free from this 1 by 3 powers. So what we do, if I cubic root, or this is cubic root, and if I cube of both sides, then this cubic root will be cancelled out. Now see, this is cube both sides, This is x minus plus iota y is 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to a plus iota b whole cube. Right, this cube a root has been cancelled out now. Now a plus iota b, or that means a plus b cube, we know that. Now this is x plus iota y is equal to, this is a plus b whole cube. So that means a cube plus b cube. Here b is iota b cube plus 3a square b. This is 3a square b, iota b, and plus 3ab square. 3 into a into iota b whole square, right? So this is x plus iota y is equal to a cube plus iota b whole cube plus 3a square iota b plus 3a iota b whole square. Now this implies that this is x plus iota y is equal to a cube plus, you know that this is iota cube and b cube. So I am just going to write this is iota cube and b cube plus 3, this is iota into a square b. I am just writing this is 3 iota a square b and plus 3 a iota square b square, iota square b square. So now this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side, and just check down this one. This implies that x plus iota y is equal to, we know this is a cube. Here check this one, this is iota cube. What is iota cube? Iota square is minus 1, iota cube is minus iota. So this is minus iota b cube plus iota 3a square b. Here check this one. This is 3a iota square is minus 1. So I just write this is minus 3ab square. Iota square is minus 1, ab square. Now this is x plus iota y is equal to a cube. Check this one. The real part has to be on the same, and this is imaginary part has to be separate. These two parts, that means this whole part has to be written in the form of x plus iota y. So I was writing this is here iota is not there. This is 3ab square and plus iota is common, so 3a square b minus b cube. Now here I can, if you want to write this is check the common, here check the common, this is a is common, and this part, this is imaginary part, this is b is common. Okay, now this is x plus iota y. Well, this is x plus iota y. Here, this is a plus iota b. This is a plus iota b. Right? So that means the real part, we know that that is the rule in which the real part must be equal to the real part and imaginary part must be equal to imaginary part if and only if these two complex numbers are the equals. These are the two complex numbers which is equal, and now this image real part here, this is a cube minus 3ab square, or that means if I take common a, this is a square minus 3b square, right? And this is y is 3a square b minus b cube, or if you take common b, this is 3a square minus b square, right? We have this is a and we have this is b. This is a and this is b. Now we have to prove this one, check this one, x upon a plus y upon b. So let the put the value of x and y on the left hand side, so we will get the right hand side, right? So now we have left hand side is equal to, this is x upon a plus y upon b. What is x? Here x we have, this is this one x. This is a into a square minus 3b square upon, this is x upon a plus b. This is y. This is 3a square minus b square upon b. So b cancel out, a cancel out. So we have, this is a square minus 3b square plus 3a square minus b square, right? Now a square plus 3a square, we have, this is 4a square. This is 4a square. And minus 3b square minus b square. This is minus 3 chocolate minus 1 chocolate is equal to minus 4 chocolate. So this is minus 4b square. Now this is equal to 4, we have, this is common. So a square minus b square. So this is the right hand side. The hence proof. This is the right hand side which we have to prove this one. This is 4a square minus b square. Right? So that is the solution of the questions which we have had to prove this one. In next sessions we will discuss some other problems. Right? Thank you students. Thank you.